Now, guys have been asking me, all right, we see the shit with the REMX. Let's see how it does with some budget ammo. That's what I'm working on today. I'm gonna shoot some 5-shot groups with the cheapest ammunition I could find, starting with CCI. All right, now I popped my cherry as far as cleaning this gun. I had about 5,000 to 6,000 rounds to it before I ever cleaned it.
What, are you fucking kidding me?
Let's get started. Boy, that's stringing like a bitch. All right, here's the next one. This time I'm gonna shoot a Fowler. All right, come on up there. By the way, I'm shooting the biggest dots I got. Those are 2-inch dots because I have no idea where the stuff is gonna shoot. Fuck. All right, guys, this is the last hope. The last hope. By the way, if you see me getting this stuff out of the CCI deal, it's not all CCI. The reason I put it in there is those little cheap-ass cardboard boxes keep falling all to damn pieces. Okay, come on, Arms Corp. Let's see what you do. Come on, boy. Damn, Arms Corp, do your damn thing then. Shit, get it, boy. I'm gonna shoot a couple more of them damn things. Hell, you good shooting budget bitch. All right, let's see if you keep doing that shit. Yeah, the reason that shit costs $3.50 a box. Guys, I appreciate you watching my damn videos. And the guys that haven't already subscribed, hit that damn subscribe button. I got a shitload of scope videos coming up soon, and one of them is top secret as hell. I've had it out here today, looking through it. It is a absolute badass, but I'm not able to release the video just yet. But trust me, you're gonna want to stick around for this shit.